This is the question number 5 of the year 2005 June, and the part A of the question is, what is LLMC, what are its purpose, which are the two heads of claims for which limitation is stated in this convention, who can limit liabilities under this convention, and part B of the question is to explain the term Plantiff, Defendant Privity and Unlimited liability. Now coming to LLMC and its key features. LLMC is Convention on Limitations of Liability of Maritime Claims in the year 1976, and it was again amended in the year 1966 under a protocol. Its primary purpose is to allow ship owners and others to limit their financial liability for certain maritime claims arising from ship operation. This ensures basically the predictability of exposure in case of accidents, encouragement to trade by reducing financial risk, protection for claimants by ensuring some compensation is available. Two heads of claims for which the limitations is stated. The convention provides two separate limits of liability based on the type of claims. A, claims for loss of life or personal injury, and B is claim for property damage. Example, in case of a cargo damage, pollution, and in case of wreck removal. Each category has its own limitation fund, and the limits are based on the gross tonnage of the ship. Who can limit the liability under which convention? Following are the parties can invoke limitations of liability under LLMC. Of course, ship owners, charterers, the operators, salvors, and insurers. And now coming to the legal terminology, plaintiff. Plaintiff is the party who initiates a lawsuit by filing a complaint in a court of law, seeking legal remedy for any alleged wrong or loss. Defendant. The defendant is a person or entity against whom the lawsuit is filed. This party must respond to the plaintiff's claim and may defend on or counter them. Privity. Privity refers to the close mutual or successive relationship to the same right or property. In maritime law, it often relates to the relationship between the ship owners and others to determine the liability or rights under contracts or torts. Unlimited liability. This means there is no legal cap on the amount of damage a party may be required to pay. In certain cases, a ship owner loses the right to limit liability under LLMC, leading to unlimited liability.